If you're on a package that has the mobile app enabled, then your travelers can load the trip to their mobile device after they register. You can see this by clicking Preview as registered from your dashboard. Now you'll notice on a desktop, you can't load in the mobile app. So you're going to have to click back to your trip, click to Manage People, and add a test traveler to your trip so that you can see what it'll look like on your phone. Put in an email address that you can access on your phone, Apple or Android, then click to send an invite or message. Content doesn't matter. Just click that button and then go to your phone and check your email. Click on the button inside the email and it will load up the trip as a mobilely responsive trip page in your browser on your phone. This is fine and it works really well. However, if they want to, they can click on the Load in App button at the top. This will direct them to the App Store where they can download the app if it's not already installed, or the trip will open directly in the app if it is already installed. From there, the trip will be automatically downloaded so it can be used offline anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching this how-to. To learn more about how YouLi makes group travel easy, check out the rest of our playlists or go to youlivetotravel.com.